In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate slides in PowerPoint. This handy feature can save time and ensure consistency across your presentations, whether you're preparing for a business meeting, a classroom lecture, or any type of slideshow. Let's dive into the process together, step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to do so, as this guide specifically walks through using the software available on most Windows and Mac computers. Once you have PowerPoint open, the next step is to locate the presentation file that needs editing. You can access your recent files or browse through your documents to find it. Once you find your desired presentation, open it up and you're ready to move on to the next steps. Next, you'll direct your attention to the left panel of your PowerPoint interface. This is known as the slide navigation pane, where you'll see thumbnails of each slide in your presentation. Scroll through the list of thumbnails until you find the slide you want to duplicate. Once you've found it, simply right-click on this slide thumbnail. This will bring up a context menu with several options available. In the menu that appears, you will see an option labeled Duplicate Slide. Click on this option and voila! Your selected slide will be duplicated and placed immediately after the original slide in the slide order. The duplicate is an exact copy, including formatting, text, images, and any other elements present on the slide. This can be incredibly useful when you want to maintain a specific design or format while making variations or updates. Keep in mind that duplicating slides is an efficient way to replicate content, and it helps maintain a uniform look across your presentation. You can use this feature to streamline the process of creating multiple slides with similar layouts, which is particularly helpful in presentations that require repetitive elements or consistent branding. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to duplicate slides in PowerPoint. By mastering this feature, you can enhance your productivity and ensure your presentations are both efficient and polished. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different slides and layouts to see how duplication can fit into your workflow. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel empowered to make your presentations stand out with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful PowerPoint tips and tricks.